InMoov initializing.
Okay, I'm trying to test the chatbot into MyRobotLab. I already taught him some things like my name, where I live, if I'm married and other things. And now I'm trying to see if we memorize that. And so there's a little bit of delay between my questions and the answer because mainly the computer has to go, I give my question to the computer, and then if the answer is not already set into the computer, it has to search on the internet, create the sentence to become a voice MP3 to send it into the robot. So let's see how it goes. So I'm turning this on. I allow the microphone.
You sound like one of a kind.
Thank you.
Anytime.
What is my name?
Gael.
Where do I live?
You said it was Paris.
What is the weather in Paris? What is the weather in Paris?
Paris. In France, it is currently partly cloudy. 72 Fahrenheit.
There's a clock behind you. Can you give me the time? There's a clock behind you. Can you give me the time?
Okay, I will remember there is a clock behind you when you give me the time.
What time is it?
The time is 1:09 p.m.
What is behind you?
I don't know the answer. Perhaps we should try a web search.
So at this stage, I need to save the predicates into MyRobotLab, and then the next time, if I ask him what is behind him, normally he should remember and say that there's a clock behind him. Okay, that's it for now.